Hello, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the very important concept called data type and the types of data types. In the last video we have discussed about the character set, identifiers and keywords. Okay. So now we will discuss what is data type and what are the types. So data type, it indicates the type of data that a variable can hold, means it is a type of data that a variable can hold. Now you may ask, what is variable? So variable is a quantity which can be changed during the execution of a program. Okay, so whatever the value you are performing, the value can be changed during execution of a program. So data type means the type of data, which type of data you are performing, that data will be stored somewhere in the program, right? So the variable can hold that data. So data type indicates the type of data that a variable can hold. So data type specify how we enter into programs and what type of data we enter into the programs. And C language has some predefined set of data types to handle various kinds of data that we can use in our program. These data types have different storage capacities. Okay, means to store integer type of data, to store floating point of data. So every data is having the different storage capacity. So the data may be numeric or a non-numeric in nature. You can store any type of data. It may be numeric or it may be non-numeric. So next we will discuss what are the types of data types. So basically there are three types of data types. First one is a built-in data type, second one is derived data types, and third one is a user defined data type. Now we will discuss one by one in detail. So built-in data types, they are basic or primitive data types and designated a single value. Okay, built-in means these are the basic or a primitive data types which return a single value, which designated or which hold a single value. Again in this there are four fundamental built-in data types. So this data type we use normally in a program, right? So the four data types are integer, floating point number, double precision real number, character. Okay, so these are the four fundamental basic or built-in data types. Okay, integer, floating point number, double precision real number and a character. And in C there is one non-specific data type called void. So void is also a data type which does not specify anything. Means void data type means no value, there is no value. This is usually used to specify the type of function which returns nothing. Okay, means it does not return anything, that is a void. Okay, so these are the five fundamental basic data types. Next, here in the table you can see the type of data types, keyword of that data type and the storage capacity or size of the data type. So the first one is a integer and the keyword of integer is a int. Okay, the keyword of integer is int, int, and the size of the int data type is 2 bytes. Okay, always remember the size or the storage will be measured in a bytes or a bits. So integer, it provide only 2 bytes of data. Second one is a floating point number. The keyword is float, 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 and the storage capacity of float is a 4 bytes. Double precision and the keyword is double and the storage capacity is 8 bytes. This is the double of the float. Both are used as a floating point number only, but the storage capacity of double is double of the float. And the fourth one is character. The character, the type of the data type is a character and the keyword is char, that is char, and the size or the storage capacity of char is 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Okay, I think you all are knowing that the size of the data that you are studying in DL, right? So 8 bits is equals to 1 byte, or again 4 nibble is equals to 1 bit, correct, and 1024 bytes is equals to 1 KB, 1024 KB is equals to 1 MB, 1024 MB is equals to 1 GB, like that. Okay, and the last one is a non-specific data type, and the keyword is void. So here, as I told, it does not specify anything and it does not return anything. So int provide 2 bytes of data, float provide 4 bytes of data, double 8 bytes of data, char 1 byte of data, and void, it does not return anything, it does not specify anything. Okay, now we will see what is int data type. So this is a keyword, as we know, this is a keyword used to indicate an integer number. Any integer number is a sequence of digits without a decimal point. Okay, so in integer you should not give any decimal point. The integer means the whole number without any decimal point. The range of int depends on the word length of the program. Here word length means the number of bits that can be accessed or that can be processed or for reading or writing purpose at a time by the processor. Means word length means the number of bits processed by the CPU in one go or in one single go. Okay, here if your computer is an 8-bit computer, then the range of int is a minus 128 to plus 127. Similarly, if your computer is 16-bit, then it handles the integers from minus 32,768 to plus 32,000